Best Buy outlet, yeah. My brother's gonna buy a... What are you gonna buy?
GoPro.
He's gonna buy a GoPro.
My 5th GoPro.
It's huge in here. Just ask. He's shy to ask. Just go ask. That's the one he wants.
That one's cool. We're gonna get...
Also, I checked out that store. It's kind of expensive. They have cute stuff. My brother ended up getting the GoPro. Which one?
Well, originally we were gonna get the 12, but the guy's like, we have a 13. And the 12 was $260, and I'm like, how much is the 13? He said $277. So I'm like, it's 17 bucks more. So we have a 13 refurbished, but it's in excellent condition.
Open box.
Sorry, open box.
So it literally just means they open the box.
So we got
Stickers.
cool stickers. And then this is what we came here for. Ta-da! 13. Look at that.
Dang.
I don't think it's charged, but
It literally has everything too.
it's perfect.
Stickers.
And then you have the charger, the mount, and then an extra battery. But yeah.
How
not bad.
exciting. Thanks, Santa. AKA Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, go.
Hold on. If you're gonna get my honest reaction, it can't be sitting like a 5-year-old. So these ones first.
Oh, sorry, I almost fell.
Careful.
Yeah.
Dang.
0.5 quality.
It's all zoomed out or what?
Yeah. So those are the shoes I ended up getting.
These are the
I
ones
like
you
these,
liked.
yeah.
You really don't think that'll go with the dress?
I don't know.
I feel like yes, but we'll see the day
I'll
I'll take them both.
Whichever ones she says.
So these are the ones you said would go probably nicer with the dress. I see what you're saying. But these are nice too.
Yeah, you think so?
They feel
They were
nice.
more expensive. Those I think were 50.
Yeah, the quality feels really nice on these. And they're not like too pointed either. Because some of the ones we were seeing at the Nordstrom rack, you could like kick someone and put a hole in them.
Elf shoes.
Literally the ones with the buckles and stuff. Like
Are you recording? Does it say happy birthday or is it backwards?
you're good, says it.
Maybe throw this away then.
Aw. Good job.
Come on, Bill. Lights on or off? Move all this out of the way.
Oh, look, your Bill already knows.
You want your camera set up here, Dad, for a bit? When Dad put it in a Walmart box.
I really did get it from Walmart.
No, he
What?
didn't.
It was. The DiMarini was from Walmart.
No, I remember he put it in there, and I remember I was all like, wasn't I being a little pouty? Like,
Yeah.
I thought you were in a bad...
because I'm like, I don't know, lights off, so it looks cooler.
Here you go.
But I want to see it from this side.
It's gorgeous.
My creation?
Holy!
Wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Are you doing it in 0.5?
Yes.
Don't zoom in. Wait, Dad, don't blow it out yet. Here, give me it. Give me.
It's not a 0.5 anymore.
Hold on, Dad.
Okay.
I just want to take a picture.
As you should. Tomorrow you have that modeling event, don't you think?
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Now we
You
go
can
for it?
blow it. Yeah.
Let's try it, see what happens. Alright, wish time.
That was the cake on the man.
Yay! Thanks, Vic.
50-50.
What the smoke?
No, it's hard. I don't know why it's hard.
It's cold.
Good point.
Thank you.
Son of a bitch. I don't
I
know.
watched the YouTube video.
I did. And I soaked it. I don't know why it got hard.
I really like it. It's fire.
Good. It smells
The frosting's
delicious.
so good.